Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this palm oil jollof rice, we are using 3 cups of rice. I've parboiled the rice and washed it thoroughly. Here we have the parboiled rice. Let me introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. I have a palm oil, which we are going to use, one of the star dish, the pepper, dry fish, some cow skin which I've cut into smaller pieces. I have some ground crayfish and shrimp here, garlic powder and ginger powder with some salt. I also have some diced onions, and I'll be using these 3 cubes of seasoning cube. And I also have some scent leaf which I've cut. Of course, this rice will be complete without some vegetables. Into the dry pot, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of palm oil. Allow the oil to heat up a bit, not to bleach, just to heat up and dissolve. Then add the diced onions. Fry it for a bit to get all the flavors out, and then add the other ingredients. After adding all the ingredients, then stir together, cover the pot and allow to boil. When it starts boiling, then stir and check for salt and the spices if enough. There's not enough salt in it, so I'm adding some salt and also some dry pepper. Stir together again, and then it's time to add the parboiled rice. After adding the rice, stir it together and make sure that the water covers the rice, at least above the rice. If there's not enough water, you add it, because you wouldn't want to be adding water while cooking. But you can still do it that way if the rice is not soft yet. For here, I'm adding water to cover the rice. I'll stir it together and then cover the pot again and allow it to cook in a low heat. at that color. Look at that color. Just see water in it. Just allow it to dry in a low heat. The rice is well cooked now and also dried, so I'll be adding some shrimp powder and then the sliced scent leaf, the vegetable which we slice. If you don't have scent leaf, you can add any leaf. You can add ogo, pumpkin leaf, or any other leaf of your choice. For this, I'm adding some scent leaf. After adding the vegetable, just stir everything together. And then our palm oil jollof rice is ready. Our native rice, our local rice, whichever one you call it, is ready. And this tasted so delicious. I enjoyed it. We enjoyed it here. I hope you will enjoy making this also. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching, both my new and my old subscribers. God bless you all. I appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Subscribe and join the family. See you all in our next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay safe. God bless you all. Bye bye.